We're gonna turn this into that. We're gonna do it for free in less than 2 hours. It's all next on Home Pro Hero. So we got snow coming in tomorrow, but I got tonight to knock this out real quick. I did that side a couple nights ago. Let me show you how quickly you can do this to make your yard look pretty good. But I gotta make it so my mower, my tractor, can cut around it real easy. So my radiuses have to be wide and big. But I use this garden hose to get me started. Now I'm dealing with a massive landscape here. So I'm on a jumbo scale. I'm not trying to match the other side. I think it looks better when you don't try to match. And plus it's a lot easier. The hose is cold, so you may have to straighten out your radiuses a little bit. When they're warm, they work really well. You don't want any straights like right here. You kind of want it to always curve. It looks better. So I'm gonna come back out about like this. I want to give myself plenty of room around the trees because they're gonna grow, right? We're gonna make this line look better by simply just eyeballing it. We're gonna use the hose as a guide. Don't want to hit your hose with the paint. And then we'll even clean it up more with the spade. But we'll simply start here like this, and you can see I'm just kind of making it more of a radius, getting the kinks out that the hose are showing. So then we'll go boom. See how much easier it is to just kind of flow, and you got that hose as a guideline. So now what we'll do is we'll move the hose over here now and finish up the radiuses. Let's go out here like this a little bit more. I would definitely want to go out here more. I want to make this a humongous area. I got tons of mulch. That's pretty tight with that right there, but we'll go with it. I want a big grand entrance to the property, and I thought it was a good time to do this like that. Okay, that looks good. Sometimes you want to use like short squirts. I don't know, the faster you go, the better it looks. So you want to do this in the fall or the spring because that's when the ground's the easiest. All I'm going to do is sink the spade in about 6 to 7 inches, maybe 8 inches or so. Doesn't really matter. And all I'm going to do is chisel out the orange spray paint. Come in the backside, this is kind of hard to get, but I'll start right here. About 5 to 6 inches, boom, boom, just like that. And you're gonna do that the entire way around the area you just spray painted. You can see it makes a channel. The reason why we want a channel because we want that mulch to have a place to stop and stay, and we would better mound the mulch up behind it. It makes it all stay in the bed. You can go wider and take the bigger piece of dirt out and use that inside your bed. You can see I'm just simply following the line, but I'm not gonna bore you because this can get boring real quick. It gets boring for me and I'm the one doing it. Well, I'm gonna speed up the video. I'll bring you back for the next step. I am somewhat cheating with the tractor, but for many years I used the wheelbarrow for everything I did. That's kind of my reward when I hit 50, I guess. It's a lifesaver, especially if you have a property with any kind of land. It seems like it's easier just to leave it in place and then pull it up as much as possible together. It's less work. I want this front gate area to look incredible when people pull in. Curb appeals, everything in home improvements. If your house doesn't look good on the outside, people are gonna think it doesn't look good on the inside. So the outside is more important than the inside. I try to tell my wife that all the time. Why not spend 2 hours of your night and improve the value of your home, right? That's what I did, and you can do the same thing. So I'm gonna use a weed eater, normal weed eater. This is a battery DeWalt. I think it's a 60 volt. Great thing. I'm glad I get rid of my gas ones. They never started anyways. All I'm gonna do is scalp the inside grass here, just so when I put the mulch over it, the little grass doesn't stick to the top. So, pretty simple. This doesn't have to be perfect at all. Just butcher it. Doesn't matter, you'll never see it again. I bought some plants in the fall when they're the cheapest. I've already got them in place, but I'll probably have to buy more plants in the spring. Because like I said, I want this front gate area to look incredible when people pull in. Nitrogen's the gas, carbon's the mulch, right? It means you're gonna make compost right here in the bed. All winter long. Then what I do is I go through and make a wider swipe from the outside, and that's about perfect. I think it looks pretty cool just like that. I love the curves. And I can go bigger here too because it's a humongous landscape, but we're not done yet. So here's the free part. ChipDrop, check it out, it's online, totally free. They'll drop it off at your house. All you gotta do is fill out the form online. I'll put the link in the description. I've gotten like 6 or 7 loads of these chips. So it's not the best stuff, is it? Not too bad, right? And I use it around my trees, outside of my normal landscaping in my house. And I use it by my wood splitter and trails too. I think I had a video out where I'd used it on a trail, and it makes them perfect. I do that in the fall too when it gets muddy. That way I can go back there and get firewood in the wintertime. Gives you a nice soft ground and no mud. Anyways, we're going to use that up front. It'll look good over time. It's likely going to take me 15 to 20 loads. I like to start back. And I put it on thick because I got it. Essentially all you're going to do is spread mulch. I do want to show you how I'm doing this. You spread the mulch and you fill the channel a little bit. Just enough to cover the berm. And because this mulch is free, I'm going like super thick, like 5, 6, 7 inches. That's all you gotta do. Take a little bit out, that's it. That's why you cut that grass back. It makes it easier for you to get in that channel. And I keep the mulch back and then I pull it forward into the channel. You don't wanna dump it right there on the channel because then you end up getting in your yard. You can see this stuff's pretty decent. But man, the trees gotta love this, gotta help those roots out big time. You can see how this can improve the value of your home. I mean, look how thick I'm putting this stuff on too. I would never do this with the expensive mulch because you can't afford to. But this, you can get crazy with. And one reason why I'm making this bed so big is I don't want to have to trim behind it anymore. I can barely get the tractor behind here. And on top of that, I don't like weed eating the fence. It's got some bigger chunks in it, but for free all day. And they love to give it. The guy that's been giving me this, he just loves it. So I'm saving him money, time. It's a win-win for everybody. He doesn't know what to do with this stuff. That amount of mulch, if I bought it at the mulch store or whatever you want to call a landscaping place, the good quality stuff, oh man, you're probably talking 3 or 4 or 5,000. This is 0. Hey, I'm still out here, but it's 6 o'clock right now, just to let you know. I think I got home at 4, so I'm probably over 2 hours, but I'll have it done in the 2-hour window. Hey, check out this headlight, man. This thing's bright as heck. Kind of forgot I had it, and holy smokes, it's awesome. It's gonna continue to let me work. You can see everything, it's super bright. Look at this, it's a game changer. I'll put a link in the description. I figure out who sent it to me. Not really a tree hugger, but obviously, if I can recycle and win at the same time, that's a good thing. But you want to keep this super thick on top of that grass so it all breaks down and makes a good solid compost. I'll bring you pictures in the morning. I'm sure you probably can't see much right now, but it looks great. Well, winter big time snuck up on me, but it's done. Just over 2 hours. Look at the nice clean cut lines. Next spring, I'll bet I'll fill these beds full of plants and flowers. It'll look gorgeous as you come up my driveway. Curb appeal is the most important part of your house, in my opinion. And I just enhanced it. Hope you like this short little video. Take care, and I'll see you next time.